This year we've started our hydrant flushing campaign. We have 6,500 hydrants across the city. We try and hit all of them within a 5-year cycle. It's very important to have hydrant flow testing done, mainly because it ensures safe system and reliable and prepared water for any fire department vehicles when they show up. Completing flow testing ensures that when a fire department shows up to a hydrant, the water that they need to manage that emergency is there. It also has an added benefit of flushing our mains, so it makes sure that we always have the freshest water available throughout the system for our customers. What most customers will see during a hydrant flushing in their neighborhood is what we call disturbed water. And basically they may turn their taps on at home and get water that comes out of the tap that's discolored, usually of a brownish color.
Disturbed water is a reverse flow of water that causes tuberculation in the main to be disturbed by the water running a different direction or a huge volume coming out of the fire hydrant at one time. When you open the fire hydrant, it's going to draw water from the surrounding streets. It causes a little disturbed water through the area. We flush the system to take our readings, and then after that time, we slow the hydrant down and just let it clear up throughout the area. One of the ways the customer can minimize disturbed water entering their home is wait for the ENWIN crew to complete the task on the road. Once the crews have left the area, you can continue on with your daily usage.
We do really want to thank our customers. We understand and do appreciate that it's an annoyance when this happens. The long run, it's for the best for everybody in the system. It makes sure our hydrants have the flow we need when the fire department shows up, and also helps maintain our pipes around the system, make sure we have hydrants that are always functional, and we appreciate your patience and understanding while we're getting it done in your area.